The fifth product on this list is the KVV 3-Wheel 360. This golf cart is the ultimate solution to your golfing problems. It has an innovative, compact design that is perfect for golfers looking to save on carrying space and effort. The height-adjustable padded armrests afford maximum user comfort and support, while the deluxe scorer holder keeps your phone or scorecard neatly placed right at your fingertips. It also features a unique, quick-action foot brake system that allows users to quickly stop the cart in 1 second. Additionally, this cart features a 360-degree swiveling front wheel that allows you to maneuver easily around any obstruction while providing easy access when loading up your clubs. Its lightweight frame weighs only 6 pounds and folds quickly into a close to transportable size. Furthermore, the patented quick foot brake system can fold and open the push cart in 1 second. And with this umbrella holder, you will have even more convenience at all times. This unit also has rugged wheels and an adjustable TPE handle to deliver reliable support for all your golfing needs, making it easy to transport your entire bag around the course. Lastly, this cart has a superior storage system and is easier to use and set up. Its pros are: it has an umbrella and scorecard holder for more convenience every round, its brake locks ensure the unit stays firmly in place, and it has a lower storage pouch that is very roomy. However, the elastic straps feel like they won't last very long. The KVV 3-Wheel 360 has an innovative, compact design that is perfect for golfers looking to save on carrying space and effort.